Hello and welcome back, my dear students. Today we will start our chapter number 10, Respiration in Organisms. Let's see what we have to study in this chapter. First is, why do we respire? We respire to get energy from food. Food contains stored energy. When we respire, the food is broken down in the cells of our body with the help of oxygen, and energy is released. Respiration is the process by which food glucose is broken down in the cells of the body with the help of oxygen to release energy. Since respiration takes place in the cells of the body, it is called cellular respiration. Types of respiration. There are two types of respiration. They are aerobic respiration and anaerobic respiration. Aerobic respiration is the respiration in which glucose is broken down in the presence of oxygen to release carbon dioxide, water, and energy. It takes place in most organisms. Anaerobic respiration is respiration in which glucose is broken down in the absence of oxygen to release alcohol, carbon dioxide, and energy. It takes place in yeast. In anaerobic respiration, in our muscle cells, glucose is broken down in the absence of oxygen to release lactic acid and energy. Breathing. Breathing is the process by which oxygen-rich air is taken in and carbon dioxide-rich air is given out with the help of respiratory organs. The taking in of air rich in oxygen is called inhalation. The giving out of air rich in carbon dioxide is called exhalation. Breathing rate. The number of times a person breathes in a minute is called breathing rate. Number of breaths per minute. When a person needs more energy, we breathe faster, more oxygen is supplied to the cells, more food is broken down, and more energy is released. How do we breathe? The respiratory system helps in breathing. The main parts of the respiratory system are nostrils, nasal cavity, windpipe, lungs, and diaphragms. Breathing involves the rib cage and a muscular sheet below the chest cavity called diaphragm. During inhalation, breathing in, the chest cavity increases in size and the diaphragm moves down and air enters into the lungs. During exhalation, breathing out, the chest cavity reduces in size and the diaphragm moves up and air is pushed out of the lungs. Here you can see the human respiratory system: nasal cavity, oral cavity, pharynx, larynx, trachea, bronchi, lungs, hearts, and ribs. These are the human respiratory system. This diagram is of human respiratory system. Mechanism of breathing. You can see the mechanism of breathing during exhalation and inhalation. Why do we breathe out? The air we breathe is a mixture of carbon dioxide and moisture.